Hey there, fellow home improvement enthusiasts. Do you own a home improvement company and find yourself constantly searching for qualified leads? Well, we've got some exciting news for you. Introducing our game-changing solution that will simplify your growth journey. We're here to help you source quote-ready leads effortlessly without any heavy lifting on your part. Our proven system guarantees that you'll receive 10 qualified leads within just 30 days. And here's the best part. If we don't deliver, you don't pay a single dime.
I used to struggle finding reliable leads for my home improvement business. But ever since I discovered this incredible service, my phone hasn't stopped ringing.
So how does it work? It's quite simple. Our expert team scours the market to find homeowners who are actively looking for home improvement services. We then thoroughly vet and qualify these leads, ensuring they're quote-ready just for you.
The best part is, I can focus my time and energy on what I do best, delivering exceptional results for my clients, while this service consistently brings me a steady flow of high-quality leads.
Imagine having a constant stream of eager customers, ready to hear about your expertise and hire you for their dream projects. That's the power of our quote-ready leads. So, if you're ready to take your home improvement company to new heights without the hassle of lead generation, click the link below to get started today. Remember, it's risk-free. If we don't deliver those 10 qualified leads in 30 days, you won't pay a penny. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to simplify your growth and unlock new possibilities for your home improvement business. Click the link now and let's get started.